Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use X spaces to listen without account. Now to use this feature, you simply have to copy the X's link. What you can do is simply long press on it and you will find this option called copy, or just open with the X. Now even if you are not logged into your account on this X application, you should be able to view it, but I would recommend you to use your browser. So go ahead and copy it. From there, open your browser like Safari or even Google Chrome. Then tap on this search bar and then paste that copied link and then tap on this go option and you will be sent over there. And you should be able to view this post even if you are not logged into X account. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.